You may think you know what customer service industry is all about, but we are here to open your eyes.
You think beauty is all about nails and treatments? Did you know it could be you owning your own business? Now I know how to run my own business and I get to do what I love.
Hairdressing is just cutting and styling. It's more like working with people to improve how they feel and look. Now I've honed my skill and my passion.
Catering is customer service and cooking.
Did you think it would be setting yourself up for life and learning how to manage your finances? Now I know how to handle my money.
Makeup's for making people look good. You could be changing the face of makeup artistry. Now I know I can pursue a career in an industry I never knew I could be in.
Barbering's just this. It might be 30 minutes for someone to talk right when they just need it. Now I'm supporting others from behind the chair. At Gloucestershire College, we'll help you find the right career. Our courses and apprenticeships are taught in real restaurants and salons by industry experts with personalised support for you.